Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of Jane. I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. But think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. Where do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I can't tell. Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it all. Still it's not like I even really care, but I do. And what am I supposed to say? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? I thought I had it all, but boy, how could I ever be more wrong? Hey, so go ahead and leave it all. Oh, I just don't want to still be holding on. 'Cause all it took was just one moment to cut it off and leave me broken. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? And the bad boy. What happens if I lose my way? The compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you? The compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's hand.
Oh, kamusta ang ride na yun?
Sleeping on your bedroom floor. I let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting, I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I'm on my pinky swear. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made? Looking for my shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you with the compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. And now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care.
So we're still waiting for the food. Ano pa lang meron? Mag-realistic sa kain.
What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made? Looking for my shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you, the compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start? What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made? Looking for my shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you with the compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?
It's a final year, right?
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason.
Patas nyo.
I don't expect your calls, won't even wait too long. But I can try to speak, 'cause everything is better with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there, but who knows that the moment before this ends, I'll know that
OG pizza guys.
570 per hata. Isang ganito? Opo, mahal naman. Mahal na, 65 na isang drinks ko. Kaya nga share na lang kasi sila araw na lang natin.
Pagdalo nila rito, naalala nila ako. Kaya hindi po yung kamag-anak na nag-greet sa akin. Papasalamat ko yun dahil hindi nila ako nalilimutan. Saka hindi ko ako kumukupas, maganda pa rin ako.
Espiritu ng pag-ibig.
Hindi yung marunong kasi nito eh. Kailangan mo eh. Hindi mo natatanggal ito eh. Wala pa bang pok? Wala pa tayo bang Hindi ako marunong kasi nito eh. Kami tanglad oh. Ito, ano, tagal. Wala.